Allah Himself gave us a pretty interesting, very concise, clear guideline, and that's actually in the ayah right before this one. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu idha tanajaytum. Those of you who claim to believe, whenever you're going to sit in a secret meeting, and by parentheses you can assume a secret meeting where you might be discussing others. You may be discussing somebody who's creating a problem or whatever, right? فَلَا تَتَنَاجَوْا بِالْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ وَمَعْصِيَةِ الرَّسُولِ. Then don't sit and discuss things secretly in a sinful way, in a way that's filled with animosity and disobedience to the Prophet. So the rest of this khutbah, I'll briefly mention these three things. First of all, ithm, in a sinful way. What's sinful? If you're talking about someone, hey, I need to discuss uncle. Yeah, uncle. God, that guy. You laugh at him, you're condescending towards him, you're making jokes about him. That's actually sinful. Because, istihza is sinful. Quran will describe it, right? Looking down on someone is la yaskhar qawmun min qawmin. Don't make fun of each other. That's sinful. So already the tone in which you're going to talk about someone will already let you know and let me know, hey, we're heading down the devil's path. This is not what Allah allows. That's already, the first violation, bil ithm. Then there's udwan. Udwan means animosity. The person you're talking about may have hurt your feelings. You may be angry at them. So when you talk about them, your anger comes out, right? Your animosity towards them comes out, which means you're not able to have a fair conversation and a sensible conversation because your emotions are too high. So you've got to put your udwan in control. Whatever may have happened. We're discussing how to address this issue. I'm not here to vent my anger. I don't want to talk about this person because they make me so mad, because I hate them so much. If those are dominant feelings in your thought process as you're talking about someone, don't do it. Just step back. That's your second red flag, right? So there's ithm and there's udwan. And then finally he says, وَمَعْصِيَةَ الرَّسُولِ, and disobedience of the Prophet ﷺ. And the Prophet ﷺ has given us ethics, character, morals, principles. Any of those principles being violated while you're discussing someone, you've got yourself a problem.